this video, we are going to learn how to set Excel to automatically adjust the column width whenever you enter or edit data in a cell. One way is always you go to the format option and you select the auto column width. But for that, always you have to select the column each and every time you're going to add the content in the cell. But if I want to keep it automatic so that whenever I add a content in the cell, the column width should be adjusted automatically, you have to go through a macro. So in this video, let's just create a macro to achieve the same thing. So first of all, you have to open the sheet where you want to run a macro or where you want to adjust the column width. So first of all, you have to go to the visual editor by Alt F11, or you can go to the developer and select the Visual Basic editor. Coming here, you have to select the you have to select the sheet on which you want to apply the macro on. So in this, I have to apply the macro on sheet 1. So I selected the sheet 1 and you have to write sub to start the macro. And after that, you have to name the macro. So I am going to name it as auto column width. Auto column width, you have to, or you can make it auto column width. Start and close the bracket, shift enter. And the first thing is you have to make an object. So I am saying dim, keeping the name of the object as my range. Sorry, not the caps lock. Then my range is equal to, as the range. Now you have to set your selection in my range. So you'll use the function set my range is equal to whatever we have selected in the sheet. After that, on this particular selection, you have to apply the function which is entire column dot Autofit on the selected range which is in my range dot entire column dot Autofit. Now, once you have written the macro, you have to minimize it. You have to select your selection. You have to press Alt F8, which will give you the written macros, or you can come here on the ribbon in the developer and next to the Visual Basic option, you have macros. From this, you have the macro auto column width. You will run the macro and see you have achieved the result. Now, next time when you add a content, suppose you inserted another row. As you will again select the range, go to macros, and you will run it again and see you have achieved what you was looking out for to adjust the column width on one click. Thank you.